Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see a MetaTrader 5 review. MetaTrader 5, developed by MetaQuote Software, is the successor to the highly popular MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Released in 2010, MT5 is a multi-asset platform that supports trading in forex, stocks, futures, and CFDs. And it's widely used by both retail and professional traders around the world. Unlike MT4, which is primarily focused on forex trading, MT5 was designed to support a broader range for financial instruments that has gained popularity due to its advanced tools, flexibility, and faster execution. You can trade on forex, stocks, futures, and CFDs all in one platform. 21 time frames, 38 technical indicators, and 44 analytical objects. Integrated economic news and real-time market depth for more accurate order book insights. It has backtest and optimized trading strategies with historical data, and it has a better performance on modern systems, available on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and browsers. All that, but it has limited broker support compared to MT4, not backward compatible with MT4 indicators or EAs, requiring rewiring in MQL5, slightly steeper learning curve for beginners, and heavier system resources than MT4. Also, some brokers still prefer MT4, which may limit access to MT5 features. So MetaTrader 5 is a powerful and versatile platform suited for traders who want to diversify their portfolios beyond just forex. It offers more advanced features, better performance, and a broader asset range than MT4. However, it may require a bit of more learning, especially for users transitioning from MT4. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.